to do a consistent joint every time with AluSplash. So the first things first, make sure that we've got a good cut. As long as we're happy with our cut and the panel pushes together nicely, we're going to use our joining strip to ensure we get a good contact. Now, in the packs, in with the joining strips, you always get an alcohol wipe. Make sure you clean the back of your panel first. Clean it all down, then we're good to go. So the first thing we're going to do is peel off one side of our double-sided tape. Now, with this, we're going to hold the joint and we're going to aim to get it in the center. Now, as long as we get it somewhere near, we're just going to push it down and firm it up. So that's one side stuck. Away we go. Now, here's the trick. On this second panel, what we don't want to do is to install this panel in a direction like this. Because as soon as we do, when we go to push it down, it's going to open up like so. So what we really need to do, and this applies to all the larger panels, it applies to every size panel. We need to encourage the panels to sit like this. Because when we get it to come in at this angle, it means that we can move our panel against the other to make sure we've got a good connection, and then we push it down to stick. So I'll show you. If we can do this, meaning that we've got movement in the panel, we can then push it together, push it down, and that gives us a lovely inconspicuous joint every time.